Hey, I'm Hamid. People are quietly making $3,000 a month with these 5 AI tools in 2026, most of them starting from zero. I tested every single one, and I'm about to show you exactly how it's done. In 2026, platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are flooded with AI-assisted freelancers charging $500 to $2,500 per project. The tools I'm showing you today are what the top earners are actually using, not what's just trending on social media. First up, ChatGPT. In 2026, OpenAI's flagship model runs on GPT-4o with a free tier and a plus plan at $20 per month. Freelance copywriters using ChatGPT are charging $300 to $800 per project on Fiverr, and landing 4 to 6 clients a month is very realistic. Watch this. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write a cold email for a local landscaping business, the kind of project clients pay $150 to $300 for on Fiverr. It nails tone, structure, and CTA in under 10 seconds. This is exactly what you deliver to a client. Next, Midjourney. The basic plan is $10 per month. Standard is $30. In 2026, Midjourney V7 produces near photographic results that clients genuinely can't tell from real photography. Sellers on Etsy and Creative Market are moving AI art packs for $15 to $60 each, with some digital shops pooling $500 to $2,000 a month in passive income. Here's a prompt I used to create a hero image for an e-commerce skincare client. They paid $250 for 5 variations like this. The key is specificity, lighting direction, mood, materials, and composition all in one prompt. Midjourney V7 handles the rest in about 60 seconds. Tool number 3 is Cloud by Anthropic. The free tier gives you Cloud 3.5 Sonnet access, and Pro is $20 per month for Cloud 3.7 Opus, which in 2026 is the gold standard for long-form accuracy. Ghostwriters and content agencies are charging $0.10 to $0.20 per word, and Cloud's 200,000 token context window means you can write entire ebooks in one session. I asked Cloud to write a section of a thought leadership article for a B2B SaaS client, the kind of content agencies charge $800 to $1,200 for. Watch how it structures the argument, cites a framework, and keeps the tone authoritative without sounding robotic. This took 22 seconds. Here's the wild one. Cursor. It's an AI-first code editor built on VS Code with a free hobby tier and a pro plan at $20 per month. In 2026, solo developers using Cursor are completing projects faster than traditional coding and charging full market rate. Junior-level freelancers are earning $50 to $120 per hour on platforms like TopTop and Contra. I'm going to show you something beginners think takes hours: a Stripe webhook handler in Python. With Cursor's CMD Plus AI Edit and its built-in Cloud 3.7 backend, I described what I needed in plain English and got production-ready code with error handling in under 90 seconds. This is exactly the kind of task clients pay $150 to $400 for. Last tool, Durable AI. It's a website builder that generates a fully designed, copy-written, SEO-ready business website in about 30 seconds. Plans start free with this starter plan at $15 per month. The play here is selling done-for-you websites to local businesses, electricians, dentists, gyms at $300 to $800 per site. Even 5 sales a month puts you at $2,500. Watch what happens when I type plumbing company, Austin, Texas into Durable. It generates a full homepage, service pages, contact form, Google Maps integration, and SEO meta tags, all automatically. The client sees a professional site. You spend 30 seconds and charge $400. That's the business model. Let's compare all 5 across the metrics that actually matter for making money. Ease of entry, earning ceiling, speed to first dollar, tool reliability, and free tier quality. This'll help you pick your starting point, because the biggest mistake beginners make is trying all 5 at once and mastering none. Here's the honest truth. None of these tools make you money on day one, but all 5 can get you to your first paid project within 30 days if you pick one, go deep, and start reaching out to clients. Week 1, pick a tool. Week 2, build your first sample. Week 3, pitch 5 clients. Week 4, close your first deal. That's all 5 tools: ChatGPT, Midjourney, Claude, Cursor, and Durable. I've linked everything in the description. Now I want to know, which tool are you going to try first? And what's the first thing you're going to build or sell with it? Comment below. I read every single one. And if you want a new AI tool breakdown every week, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.